Hey everyone, what's up? I'm Aqa Ali and in this video we're going to learn how to draw a sketch of head. As usual, we begin with a simple circle, then another circle for ears, and define muzzle with these lines. Now, it's time for faces details, and after that, character's body and a simple space making. This character is going to be a shoemaker old man. Now it's time for cleaning the space. We pick an eraser and lower the transparency a little bit to make it lighter. In this stage, we start adding details here. I think these eyes don't really suit this character. Therefore, I erase the eyes and reform a new one to make them sync with character. Okay guys, here's our last model. I hope you like it. Tell me in the comments if you know who this person is. But before you take off, watch our video on designing a Disney character from scratch.